The Mars Ingenuity Helicopter has made history by completing its first successful flight. This achievement is a huge milestone for space exploration, as it marks the first time a powered aircraft has flown on another planet. Ingenuity, which arrived on Mars attached to its mothership, the Perseverance rover, in February 2021, has exceeded all expectations since then. The success of Ingenuity is not just a triumph for Mars exploration, but also a major leap forward for aerial mobility in planetary science. This marks the beginning of a new era in exploration, where rotorcraft could play a key role in discovering more about Mars and potentially other planets in the future. The helicopter's initial flight lasted around 20 to 30 seconds, during which it hovered briefly above the Martian surface, performing a flawless takeoff, climb, hover and landing. Every subsequent flight has provided engineers with valuable data, allowing them to increase the helicopter's distance, altitude and flight duration. Ingenuity is part of a broader plan to expand our ability to explore other planets as we look to the future. NASA's Dragonfly mission, scheduled to launch in 2027, aims to take rotorcraft exploration to Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan's thick atmosphere makes it an ideal candidate for this kind of mission, enabling a much larger rotorcraft than Ingenuity. Dragonfly will spend years exploring Titan's surface, gathering data about its cold, icy landscape, and searching for prebiotic chemicals that could reveal secrets about the origins of life. While Mars presents significant challenges for flight due to its thin atmosphere and low temperatures, Titan's much denser atmosphere and lower gravity make it more favorable for flying. In fact, the thick atmosphere on Titan allows Dragonfly's rotors to spin at lower speeds, making it easier to fly there than on Mars. However, Titan's extremely cold temperatures, close to -290 degrees Fahrenheit, and its great distance from Earth present their own set of challenges. The Dragonfly mission will be largely autonomous, as there will be a delay of over an hour for communications to travel between Earth and Titan. This means Dragonfly must carry out most of its tasks without direct human intervention. Equipped with cutting-edge instruments, including a gamma and neutron spectrometer, Dragonfly will be able to analyze Titan's surface and explore locations that may have once been habitable. The mission aims to uncover clues about Titan's subsurface ocean, which could potentially harbor life or the building blocks of life. The data gathered from Dragonfly will help expand our understanding of other ocean worlds in our solar system, and might even inform future missions to places like Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. By exploring Titan, we could uncover answers to fundamental questions about the origin of life and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Meanwhile, Ingenuity continues to capture the imagination of scientists and explorers. It has passed its initial battery of flight tests with flying colors, proving that drones can not only survive on Mars but thrive in its challenging conditions. This success lays the foundation for future aerial exploration on Mars and beyond. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, missions like Ingenuity and Dragonfly are just the beginning of what could be an exciting new era of space exploration. Subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Just hit like the button and follow for more content.